Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. Still on the hunt to look for a truck, guys. We're going to some more dealerships today. We're looking for a truck. What we got today, Mom? We got a Ford, or what is it?
2014 F-150.
There's only one?
Two.
You trying to not be in the camera?
Yeah.
I'm not putting you in the camera. 2014 F-150. We're going to go check it out.
2012.
Oh, it's two of them.
Yeah, 2012 XL4.
2012 XL, two Fords.
Yep.
All right, so we're going to the Ford dealership, guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Look at my knuckles, boy. I just can't get it right on camera. I just can't get it right, y'all. Look at my knuckles. I just can't get it right, y'all. Every video, your boy Big Play can't get them damn hands together. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, join the Hustle Nation. Follow me on all social media platforms. Listen, the correct social media platforms. We got some scammers that's trying to kidnap y'all and steal y'all money. So make sure you follow the correct Instagram, link in the description below. It's wehustledaily.co. It's not with two I's in daily. It's not with a zero at the end of you know what I'm saying? With the O is wehustledaily.co. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all follow the correct page and report any scammers. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com, of course. Oh, I didn't bring my scanner. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. I'm gonna show y'all how to buy, sell, properly inspect cars, whether from an auction, a private party, a dealership like we're going to. I'm slipping and I'm tripping because I did not bring my scanner, but you know, we're gonna just look at it, we're gonna see what's going on, you know what I mean? But you know what I'm saying? We definitely will be putting it on the scanner. But right now we're just gonna look, see what they looking like. See if they even worth even putting them on the scanner, because the stuff we've been seeing ain't even been worth putting on the scanner. Some of the stuff been dirty, all type of stuff. So you feel me? So yeah, see y'all when we get there. All right, y'all, we are at a dealership, Loganville Ford here. See what they got real quick. So that's that new, I don't know what that is. How you doing, boss? Good, good. I'll tell you one thing, they do be greeting you and stuff here, man. I will say that about this place. They're greeting you and asking you want coffee, all type of stuff. Customer service is on point. I like the wheels on the Audi, all black. All black, all black. Damn, we going in the inside? I got that GT 500. Man, my man right here keep coughing though. That's his second time, bro. Second time. Oh, wow. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below.
I think he was brand new wheels on his new truck. Connor.
Yeah.
Tailgate's got back there in the back.
Okay.
It has a trifold cover.
Okay.
These covers are $1,200, $1,299 installed. So that's all
Looks good. Looks good. Okay. Leather sunroof. What year is this one? You said 14, right?
This is 14, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many miles you said?
This one is 100 and...
Right there. See if it shows it right there on the. It shows when I push that.
109.
109. Okay. This one got the V8, V6.
I believe it's the 8.
Okay, they got some new wheels on there, guys. Let's see. Okay. And it does look like it is the V8, guys. So it is the V8 here. Got them the lights on there. Motor looks good. I don't see anything really going on with the motor. It looks good. Yep, looks good, looks good.
Yeah, it looks like there's 8 of them there.
Coolant looks good. Yep. What y'all think about this one? I think this one looks similar to the one that we was looking at. Need some different type of wheels here. He said the wheels off his new truck. He probably, I don't know. But yeah, it looks good though.
What's your husband do? Yeah, for sure.
Oof. Smelly on that side. Let's see if this door open.
Yeah. That's my wife said, you get a tire for work, you'll stop working.
Okay. It looks good though. What y'all think? Smell a little. Oh, he's got the keys. Yep, 109 on the miles.
That's right. And the
Yeah,
only reason
looks
this isn't
good.
going yet because it's not done detailed
It's a
yet.
V8.
Because once they park
It's a
them
V8.
up front under 30 grand on a nice full-size truck, they are so hard to keep.
What you think, Mom? Look alright. Probably could crank it up, not right now because it's what you call it. Alright. I didn't know if they wanted to do it because we was in the garage. Ooh, we had a little smoke come out there. Let me see if it's a cold start. This one kind of loud. It is a cold start and it seemed kind of damn shaky. I'm all loud. What it is about this one, it's like, there we go. Is he messing with something back there? Yeah, he messing with something. Okay, it kind of evened out there. I will have to drive it. It do seem like it got some type of exhaust on there or something like that. It looks like the appearance is nice. I would just have to make sure that mechanically is good. I don't got my scanner on me, unfortunately. But, I mean, it looks all right. It just was pretty loud. It had some smoke come out, as y'all seen. I will have to check that check engine light, make sure everything is good on it, make sure everything is good to go. But I don't know what y'all think about it. Let me know in the comments below. It doesn't sound as loud now. It doesn't sound as loud now, but when you first crank it up, it was loud. But it seems all right now. Let me see if the exhaust. I just see the tip they put on here, but other than that, I think everything else is pretty much factory. I don't know. I would have to drive. It sounds like I got like an exhaust on it or something, don't it?
You say you put an exhaust on it.
A little tip, yeah. Okay. I have to drive it to see how it feels. In the end, put the check engine light on there. When we cranked it up, I did see a little smoke. It calmed down. You know, it was a cold start. So you know, cold start meaning that it was cold before I started it. It hadn't been cranked up. So I mean, that's cool. But I don't know. I will have to drive it, and we'll have to get that scanner. But appearance wise, it looks all right. I smelled something over here, like smell a little, maybe inside the carpet is something right there. I smell something. But other than that, you know, it's a V8. Another V8. Yeah, so. Oh shit, I gotta be able to look up under here. think that looks good. Everything looks decent. Yeah, man. So, what y'all think? It's brand new. It's getting detailed. They haven't even put it on the it. It looks decent, you know. Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think. Let me look under here one more time, make sure. Okay, that's the exhaust. That's normal. It just look like the oil pan bolt is, I can't fucking see. But like I said, I had to come back and drive it and all that, get the scanner and all that too. So wouldn't be no decision we'll make right here, right now, you know. But what y'all think about the wheels that's on there? Y'all like the wheels that's on there? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, so. And it got the little bed on there on the back. Got the little step stool. You know. Yep. What y'all think? As far as appearance wise, it do look good. And then it could just be water up under there because like I said, it was getting detailed. So, you know, it's hard to really, you know, they detailing it right now. So I'll have to drive it. We did see that smoke coming out. Shit, it is cold, but it ain't, you know, it sound all right. It looks all right. It feels all right. Got a, yeah. What y'all think? All right, what you think? What you think, Ma?
I mean, I like it, but you know, what you think?
Okay. I just have to, you know what I
You want to
mean?
drive it?
Yeah, we can if we want to. We can get that out the way.
You gonna put a plate on for me? Ah, you gonna put a plate on for me? They want to drive it. You want to drive it? Yeah. No, that's cool. It's something to do. License.
Oh, get your license. Your pocket.
No, I think it's in my pocket.
Put some kind of something on
Exhaust on. I see it. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and drive it. We're gonna go ahead and get that out the way right now. I'm gonna have to come back and put it on the scanner. I definitely want to put it on the scanner. But other than that, we about to drive it and just see how it feel right now. I had to tell y'all something else, but I don't forgot. Yeah, maybe I just want to tell y'all that we was gonna drive it. So yeah, we're gonna drive it. It is the V8. You know, it does look like a nice truck though. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think? Should that be my thumbnail? Yeah.
License? All right. Let me back it up.
All right, you're gonna back it out. Let me show y'all what it looks like backing out. Back it on out. Okay. Okay. Yeah, put some water on it. I can see the water up under the what you call it. So 109 on the miles on this one, guys. What do y'all think about it? Let's take a look at it one more time. What y'all think about the new wheels? He took the wheels off his new truck and put them on this truck. What do y'all think about that combination there? I'm not sure if I would have necessarily did it because it got chrome. You know what I'm saying? It's chrome and black. But you got some chrome still on the vehicle. But what messes it up for me is the gold strip. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, a lot of people don't care about that. I would just, you know, point that out on what I thought. So, yeah. It's already tinted, looks like. What y'all think? Hustle to the nation. Now we can see a better up under here. So now let's look. Yeah, see, that's water. He was wetting it in water. So, yeah, that's all that is. I see now. Yep, everything looks good. I don't see anything. Yep. Since we in the light, we can go ahead and pop the hood one more time so we can see. I wonder if the back opens up. Probably not manually. I mean, probably manually. The back probably opens up. Let's see. said 2012. Right? 2014. Okay, motor looks good, y'all. Big V8. You know what I mean? String beam. Yeah. He's wetting it and had water on it. But it looks good though. Looks good. Got coolant in it. Looks good. Looks good. We can check the oil, not check it, but we can grab the stick right now and just look at it real quick. What the hell is it? Oh, damn. Look at that. Stick all the way down here, y'all. That's crazy. Hold this. Don't hold it in front of that big face. Damn, this the stick? That's stupid. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that, don't y'all? Take the stick out and you hear it. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know if this will sound like that. What do y'all think about that, Hustle Nation? We'll be come right back. All right, and shout out to the Hustle Nation, man. We went live, we talked about it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. I'm out of here. Peace.